can't hear it, but look, that light pops up. I'm pedal to the metal right now, and it won't move. Look. That light pops away, pedal to the metal, torque. Pops up, clear, torque. I can go 80. And that light pops up, I'm stuck in the gear. Right? Trying to get this bitch back right. Causing so many problems. Problemas. So what it's causing what this does is it controls the air. Yeah, fuck all the bullshit. I just bought another coil pack, another spark plug, but we gotta get back there. And with that problem, about to take that off. Yeah, let's get to it. Gotta take this off with a 19. Just don't lose that. Then for this, it's 2 of them. You're gonna need a 13. Need that small ratchet. I like to keep the screws in my pocket. So now that all those, this, that, and that one just come straight out. That's what it looks like back there. And now we have plenty of wiggle room to get to there. That is our problem. And that's what we were trying to get. Was stuck down in there. That rubber thing, which, hold on. Let me move that. Look, this is what it's supposed to come out like. See how I stuck to it? And that wasn't. Like Spider-Man. You've been following this journey. You've heard how rough it's been. And that's not been plugged up. I think we there, y'all. Engine light on. Which is, you know, all I was doing was putting a Band-Aid on it, clearing it. Ready? Oh yeah, we back, baby. That's what German engineering is supposed to sound like. I swear I'm really thinking about becoming a mechanic. Like, I've already got one side over there off. I'm at the pull apart, trying to get parts for the low. But you gotta know what you're doing, and you gotta do your own work. Yeah,
show y'all what I'm trying to do. I already did that side. That was on there. Took out the spark plugs. So now I'm about to take this off. All them screws. So I can get to the sparks. Well, the coil packs. These coil packs are from AutoZone, and they've been causing my computer, my car, since they're aftermarket, the computer doesn't recognize them. But this, being that it's, actually, that's not. This one, the company that it is, right? That's a good company, something that BMW would order. So, with that being said, these being BMW parts that BMW computers would recognize, I went to the junkyard, like y'all seen me. I got straight out of BMW. I got like 8 of them just in case, right? My computer now, no check engine light. My computer recognizes these coil packs, so we go under the hood and it's running smooth. All these are new coil packs from BMW, not aftermarket. So the PSA is don't order aftermarket for foreign cars. Here go the big difference. And this is going uphill. It's going uphill. Her, no check engine. Gran Turismo, nigga. Slow down, slow down.